name is Ricky Duncan. I'm the Assistant Athletic Trainer at the University of St. Mary. Today I'm going to do a cranial nerve function test. We're going to start with test 1 for the olfactory nerve. Can you breathe in for me? Do you smell things?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. The second nerve is going to be for the optic nerve. Can you look over on that far wall and read what it says?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. The third nerve is the oculomotor nerve. We're going to take a pen light and test for pupil reactivity. So I'm going to cover this eye, just look straight at me. We're going to bring the light in from the side. The pupil dilates, and that's a positive test. We're going to go to the other side, do the same thing. Pupil dilates, that's positive. Now we're also going to test the motor function for this nerve. So can you just follow the pen light for me? Don't move your head. Okay, so we were looking for his eyelids to move up and the side to side and downward rolling motion of his eyes. The next test we are going to test is the trochlear nerve, and this just tests upward eye movement, so just look up again for me. Okay, and he was able to do that, so that's a positive test. Nerve 5 is the trigeminal nerve. So can you clench your teeth for me and open your mouth wide? All that feels okay?
Yep.
Okay. And then this also has a sensory aspect to it, so we're going to just touch his face, make sure that that all feels okay. You have normal feeling?
Yes.
Normal feeling. We're going to test the jawline and then just the lips. All that felt normal?
Yes.
Great, perfect. The next test we're going to do is the abducens nerve, and that just has lateral eye motion. So again, you can just look at the tip of my finger, follow it all the way to the side, right to the front, all the way to the side. All that felt okay?
Yes.
All right. The next test we're going to test is for the facial nerve. So I'm just going to ask you to smile and then frown for me. Okay, frown. Quite good. And then if we had something that he could eat, it would also test the tasting sensation. Now we're going to test the vestibulocochlear nerve. So can you stand up for me real quick? Just stand on one leg for me. Does that feel okay?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and sit back down. This also tests hearing, so I'm just going to snap. Can you hear me snapping? Okay, perfect. The next test is for the glossopharyngeal nerve, and I'm just going to ask you to swallow. All that felt okay?
Yes.
Okay. The next test is for the vagus nerve. This also tests those pharyngeal muscles, but it also tests your gag reflex. So can you just stick out your tongue for me? Go and swallow with your mouth open. Okay? Okay. The next cranial nerve is the accessory nerve. So I'm just going to ask you to shrug your shoulders and lay them up there. I'm going to try to push them down. Okay. That's positive. And then the hypoglossal nerve, just stick out your tongue for me. Okay. And that is a cranial nerve function test.